One real French sentence and then all the grammar and then the vocab that you need to use it right. In today's BitSize French, we're going to talk about the verb disposer and disposer de and why we use en with disposer. Let's take a look at the first example. Vous pouvez en disposer. Vous pouvez en disposer. You can use it. Vous pouvez en disposer. So there are three vocabulary. The first one is pouvoir, which means can and may. Second one is disposer de, to use and to have at your disposal. And the third one is en, so replaces de plus something. Let's take a look at the grammar part of this sentence quickly. So when a verb needs de, such as disposer needs the de, we use en to replace the object. What I mean is the verb disposer de quelque chose, it needs de, and then after de, we're going to add quelque chose, disposer de quelque chose, and if you want to replace de quelque chose, we're going to replace it with en, so it will become en disposer. So you can also say the sentence vous pouvez en disposer as vous pouvez disposer de quelque chose. You can replace that en, put that at the end of disposer, and then that will become disposer de quelque chose. You can use it. So the formality level of this disposer is neutral to formal, and it's often used in polite contexts. So that's the first example. Vous pouvez en disposer. The second example is je n'en ai plus besoin. Je n'en ai plus besoin. I don't need it anymore. Je n'en ai plus besoin. So there are three vocab that we need to know. The first one is avoir besoin de. Avoir besoin de. To need. You might notice. En, again, is replacing the de plus noun at the end of besoin de. Because after avoir besoin de, we put a noun at the end of it. The third vocab is ne ... plus. It means no longer and not anymore. Let's take a look at the grammar part again. So the first structure is ne, verb plus plus, means not anymore. For example, in this example, je n'en ai plus besoin, it will become don't need anymore or not need anymore. The second one is en, replaces the de plus object. Again, here the en is replacing the de plus the quelque chose after besoin. So it will become je n'en ai plus besoin. The third one is no longer need something. I no longer need something. It will become je n'en ai plus besoin. Okay, so again, this is the same as the first example. We are replacing the de plus something with en. It will be put in front of the verb, and it will become, in this particular example, it will become je n'en ai plus besoin. Okay, cool. The third example is going to be disposer de moi. Disposer de moi. Use me as you wish, or I'm at your service, or I'm at your disposal. So the vocabulary in this one will be disposer de quelqu'un. Instead of disposer de quelque chose, this is adding a person. Disposer de quelqu'un, to have someone at your disposal. Moi is me. And then we are using the disposer. It's the more polite or formal request form. And then let's take a look at the grammar part quickly. In affirmative commands, meaning that it's a positive, it's not negative. We're just saying do it, we're not saying don't do it. So in affirmative commands, object pronouns come after the verb. It means that disposer de moi, that moi comes after disposer. And then that's more formal way. So a formal way to say I'm at your disposal is basically disposer de moi. Disposer de moi. That's it for today. Always learn more with less. Hit subscribe and don't miss out on daily videos.